Hello my dear 8th standard students, chapter 1 crop production and management lesson continued. In the last class we have seen about crop production and what is crop management we have seen. Now ploughing, next topic is ploughing. See, farmers do agriculture, they grow crops in the field. How they do this? The first point is ploughing. Ploughing means what they do? They take a tool, they fix to a tractor, or nowadays tractor is used for ploughing. They fix a tool and ploughing is done. Ploughing means what? They make the soil loose. Before sowing the seed, they make the soil loose. So loosening the soil with a plough. Plough is a tool used for ploughing. They fix to the tractor and they go round in the field. That is called ploughing. Before sowing the seed, ploughing is done. It means they make the soil loose. Because last class we have seen this loosening soil will help the plants to absorb water and minerals from the soil, and roots can respire easily. So ploughing is done. Next, leveling. After ploughing, leveling is done. Leveling, why they do? They use a tool called leveler. This leveler will make the soil level. Before sowing the seed, leveling is done. Easily you can, afterwards you can sow the seeds easily. Next is hoe, hoe. What is this hoe? This hoe is a tool used to remove weeds from the soil. What are these? Weeds are nothing but they are unwanted things grown in the field. They do not help to the plants to grow. These weeds are unwanted things which are grown in the field. So first what they do? They remove all these weeds from the soil with the help of a tool called hoe. Next, sowing. Fourth is sowing. Good quality seeds are selected and they are put in the soil. That is called sowing. A farmer will buy seeds. Good quality seeds he has to select. How he come across good quality or bad quality means a test is done. He will put the seeds in a water. A good quality seeds, what happens? They drown in water, and damaged seeds, they float in water. So the seeds which are floating on water surface, they are damaged seeds. The farmer will take out and throw those seeds, and the seeds which are drowned in water, good quality seeds, he will select those and he will sow the seeds in the field. These good quality seeds will provide high yield of crops. With the help of fifth one, seed drill. This seed drill is again tool for sowing the seeds. This seed drill is a tool fixed at the back of the tractor, and the driver will go line by line. The leveling is done and he will on that place he will sow the seeds. Next is manure and fertilizers. See, these manure and fertilizers are very essential for soil. So farmers put manure and fertilizers in the soil. Sometimes what they do, before ploughing only they put these manures and fertilizers. After putting manures and fertilizers, they do ploughing, so that this manure and fertilizers, they are nicely mixed in the soil. They provide nutrients to the soil and healthy growth of plants and crops is possible. These manures are nothing but it is a animal product. Manure, cow dung, example, cow dung. This manure is made in the fields only. Cow dung, they put this manure. This manure, what is its function means? It will provide humus to the soil. It will make the soil nicely wet. Humus, water content will be there in the soil if manure is put. So manure provide humus to the soil. These fertilizers, what they do? They provide nutrients to the soil. So the function of manure and fertilizer is manure make the soil humus. It provides humus to the soil, and fertilizers, they provide nutrients to the soil. What are the nutrients? Example, sodium, phosphorus, potassium. These are very essential for plants to grow. So these fertilizers will provide nutrients. Potassium, phosphorus, calcium. These nutrients are provided by these fertilizers. Manure is man-made. It is made in the fields. Whereas fertilizers, it is you get in the shop. It is a inorganic substance, fertilizers. So this is how manure and fertilizers help the plants to grow. So manure, what they do? They provide humus to the soil, and fertilizers, they provide nutrients to the soil. In this way, they help for the growth of crops. In the next class, we'll take next topic. Until then, goodbye.